You got the goddamn camera.
Damn right I got the goddamn camera.
I forgot all about my back door. I never use it.
Yeah.
Back.
Look, it's
Make sure you don't fall, son, because I got food in my hand and fucking a camera in one hand and Rick in front of me.
I'm going to put my strip pole right here.
Right there.
Yes.
Like I told you, I know.
He is drunk as shit.
Look at you bitches.
This man in front of me is drunk as shit.
Stop messing with me, son.
I'm not. I'm not antagonizing him. Like you
Look,
gotta.
I like that word, antagonize.
Jesus, look.
You educated.
I know I'm educated. Thank you.
I'm good.
You right.
Let's hope you can make it to this fucking couch.
Yeah, come on, sit down.
Take a load off. And if you gotta throw up, just give us the hand signal. They ain't even fucking them cookies up, nigga.
Yeah, right.
Look at them fucking, they even fucking them cookies up.
What cookies?
Them cookies.
I don't see no cookies.
What the fuck do you tell me?
Blackness.
Wow.
Darkness.
Wow. Let's not.
Yeah.
Let's not.
And you go right there.
I'm
not-
colorblind.
You're colorblind.
Yeah.
Good. Good job.
Yeah,
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Not my choice.
There you go right there.
I got some McNuggets.
Ah, let's share.
20 piece.
I'm sorry for the way I've been acting. I know. You gonna record everything, son?